the day.
Oh, we're playing Russian roulette.
With an egg.
With an egg. That's it.
Shit. Why have I got to do this first? No. Remember it.
I've already rolled it.
I know.
Ready?
Yeah, get it close, get it close, get it close.
I'm sorry.
This is so scary.
Shut up, please don't be me.
And spin. Lock.
Nah, I didn't see it. Okay, never mind.
You didn't see it?
You did. Oh, wait, touch it.
Yeah.
Wait, down.
Down.
God, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god!
It's so scary.
So scary.
Shit. Oh. Nice catch. And it was on the egg, on top of the egg.
Would have been you then.
Like the phone went, ooh.
You're still recording?
Yeah, it's still going.
And spin. Let's see the spin.
And spin.
Okay.
Alright. Get it touching. Get it touching. There you go.
Ready?
Yeah.
I know it's gonna be me. I know it because I've got big, stupid, big ass fingers.
And spin. Oop, that. Alright.
Spin that again. Faster. Yeah. I just know this is it. Oh my god.
That's so scary. Holy shit. You should really had a third person recording it.
Should have, yeah.
Yeah, it's so...
It's a better angle.
Yeah.
Oh. Yep.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, I'm gonna step back a bit. Even you're shitting it.
Of course. Oh, fucking so scared. Right. It's just bolting.
It's so scary.
Hating this. I'm actually hating this.
Shit. I'm gonna have to keep this up at arm's length. Just so, yeah.
Be over. Please be over.
No.
So shoot it down here. See what I'm saying?
Oh no! Alright, just to prove that we aren't shitting it, there is a live one there.
See, it's there. See?
Right?
Okay.
There is a live
There's actually one in there. See, my problem is I've got big ass fingers, so I'm gonna try and hold it there.
and spin.
Okay, so you gotta try and down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's your reaction, you're like
So take one out.
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take a random one out.
No, wait, hold on.
No, you can see which one it is. You can see
Huh?
down. If you look down.
Shit, yeah, it's the bottom.
Right.
Alright, at least you know that's an empty one.
So that's an empty one. Empty.
Empty.
Okay, so we're just gonna.
Just as long as there's a live one.
Move your finger back, yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is not fun. Don't look. Yeah. Down.
There.
Yeah. Oh! Oh my god! You picked him! Shit.